Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the modded version of Offroad Outlaws in which all the in-app purchases are for free and you can get unlimited amount of gold. So over here you can see that I have this modded version, and whenever I'm buying anything I just cancel the login process and the thing is purchased. Now I'm using an iPhone in this video, and this thing works on both iPhone and Android, iOS and Android devices. So you don't have to worry if you're using an Android device. You just have to follow the simple steps that I'm going to be showing you later in the video to get this modded version of the game. So you can see every time I buy a package in the modded version, I just cancel the sign-in process and the thing is purchased, and you can see my gold is increasing every time I'm purchasing it, and this is absolutely 100% sure that in the modded version you get in-app purchases for free and unlimited amount of gold. So you can see I have some decent amount of gold over there. And yes, now I'm going to be showing you that I can purchase anything in the game using gold, and I don't have to worry about running out of gold because I can purchase gold for free. So I just bought this thing. I can buy anything. Yes, this one, I can also buy this one. So I can go and buy some cool stuff, like maybe perhaps this one. Yeah, 500. I don't have to worry about running out of gold. If my gold at a point finishes, I can go into the store and purchase it for free because all the in-app purchases are for free, as well as the premium products. You can get these premium vehicles for free. Just click on that and click cancel the sign-in process, and there you go. I have it purchased. So everything is for free. All the in-app purchases are for free and gold is for free. So now if you don't have Offroad Outlaws, I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So for iOS devices, go to settings, open general settings, and then open background app refresh, and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. And this step is only for iOS devices. If you're using Android, skip this and go on to step number 2, which is you go onto the battery icon and you make sure low power mode is off. If you're using Android, it should be power saving mode. So this is step number 2, make sure to follow it, and then open your browser that you're using. It can be Safari or Chrome or whatever you use, whatever browser you're using. So go onto your browser, on the search engine, type in appbox.live. Type this into your search engine of your browser, and there you go, you have the modded games and apps. Go into the search bar and type in Offroad Outlaws, and if it's signed or not revoked, you can install the game, and you can see there are free in-app purchases and unlimited gold. And I'm just going to click on get it, install, and yes, no jailbreak needed and no rooting needed. So I just started the injection process. I'm just going to fast forward it. It can take up to 1 to 2 minutes maximum, otherwise it's going to take a couple of seconds. And as soon as it finishes, it's just going to load, just like here. It's just going to load for a few seconds. And then before getting the modded version, I just have to complete a little tiny step, which is super easy. I'm giving these offers. I have to install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the little step before I get the modded contents downloaded. So I have to download this app and run it for 30 seconds. It's going to be downloaded from the original App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on the Android. And you can afterwards delete the app if you don't like it. So I'm just going to run this app for 35 to 40 seconds to make sure that the offer is completed and make sure that it works. So over here I have fast forwarded the video, and remember, you can delete this app afterwards if you don't like it. Offer number 1, I've completed it. Now I'm going to go on to complete my second number offer. So I'm just going to download this one as well and run it for 30 seconds to unlock the contents. So it's going to download from the official App Store or the Google Play Store if you're using Android. And you can also delete the second app if you don't want it afterwards, if you don't like it. It's just a formality. Run it for 35 to 40 seconds to make sure that the offer works. There you go. I have the Offroad Outlaws modded version installed. Now I'm just going to close everything, and I'm going to show you that it actually works. So here you go. I have right now 120,200 coins. And now in the modded version, all the in-app purchases are absolutely for free, and I can buy an unlimited amount of gold. So I'm just going to open the store, and you can see it looks like it costs $99, but I'm just going to click on it, cancel the sign-in process, and there you go, I have bought the 10,000 gold. So everything is for free, premium products and everything. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel.